So let me show you how to reset all the settings on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So any changes you have made on this settings page, anywhere from here, is going to get reset back to the default. So you want to go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that. And then under general management, if you scroll down, you will see the option reset. So you want to tap on that, and then you should see the option reset all settings. Now, if you tap on that, this is going to reset your security settings, your language settings, accounts, personal data, settings for downloaded apps, all that stuff. And all you have to do is tap on reset, enter your password, and then confirm you want to reset. And that's going to reset all the settings of your Z Flip 8. Now, if you're having some few problems which you're not able to find solutions, usually this resets all the settings and gives you solutions to problems you might not have had before. Thanks for watching. Good luck.